goodness, there's a stream in the road. That's too deep for my little car. I'm going to have to turn around and go all the way back, unfortunately. We're going to go and watch my granddaughter do her ballet class. Off we go to morning ballet. Hello, buddy. Whoop, whoop, yeah! Going on a day trip. Come down with the children to Audley House, and there is a miniature railway here. So we're going to take a little trip round. On the train, they give each child a little book to look for different things to find when you're travelling around on the train.
Hello! Hello! Oh, here we go!
Right, Amelia, we've got to find the phoenix and the dragons and the giant spider. Is it this one?
Owl! Owl!
It's owl! Yeah, shall we take it?
Sorry. Where's Owl? We're going to do the unicorn next. Oh my god.
Scary spiders.
Oh my god, that is a huge spider. I didn't even know that one.
Spooky tunnel.
Really? Oh, unicorns. I like them. You're supposed to take a sip.
Hey, Judy.
I did. Oh, it's the news. I got the news. Guys, the trees are really moving over here. The man is good. Oh, it's fairy. What? That's fire. In a minute we can. Hi, fairy and our friends. Now, Queen Titania, the queen of all of the fairies. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.
So I'm going to put your fairy feather in your hair, darling. There we go. Look, you've got a fairy feather now. This is so nice for the kids. These two around. Okay, look. Oh wow! You want it in your hair?
Mommy, it went.
Turn around then. There you go. We've had a lovely day out at Audley End. The kids have really enjoyed it, going on the train and finding all the fairies. It's been really good. I think she's a bit cold. You're cold? It's not cold at all. A home cooked English roast dinner. Look at the crackling on that. Yummy.